So, key takeaway from link building. So, link building is basically a very scalable methodology to have improvements in your organic rankings. So, if you have a look at Google and look for you look for terms, you would often notice that the listings at the top of the page would all not only have a great on-page SEO experience, but will also probably carry a lot of links. So, link building is quite important, as we covered in the previous videos. One of the most effective methodology for a small business is to get a lot of citations when you start out, or just to tell Google that you have an existence, that you have a physical office, the name, address, and phone number bit, and also get a lot of links back to your site from these local listings. This establishes you as being present or serving that country, and also helps Google understand that you have a proper residents in that country. Now, after having done citations, especially for a small business, after having citations, you could obviously go to Fiverr.com or some of these other sites, which would automatically, help you do these. People will be able to do these for you. The second most, and probably the single best working strategy, is to get paid links, depending on your budget, or depending on how you consider paid links is whether a strategy you want to implement or not. You would obviously buy some paid links. They're editorial in nature. They are part of blogger outreach, and obviously they work really, really well. And then, if you have a large team, if you're a SaaS, or if you are a company that has multiple teams working on marketing strategies, then obviously segment is a really good example of what constitutes link-worthy content, which is case studies, courses, guide, reports, and webinars. Obviously, you want to have a bit of outreach added to producing all of these assets and collateral, so that the outreach team would be able to create or help create a lot of these backlinks to your site. And that's a bit about the link building. Link building is quite important, is part of the off-page optimization, and if done right, then you would be able to see a lot of value from your SEO.